In this video, I will take an in-depth look at Weavy AI to help you decide if it is the right addition to your software stack. Weavy is a powerful framework designed to help developers embed collaboration features and generative artificial intelligence directly into their own applications. One of the main benefits of Weavy is its modular design. You can choose to implement a simple community feed, a robust file-sharing system, or a sophisticated AI assistant that understands your specific data. The user interface is clean and feels native to almost any web app, which is a massive plus for maintaining a consistent brand experience. However, it is important to consider the learning curve. While it is much faster than building these tools yourself, your team will still need to spend time integrating the webhooks and managing the back-end connections. Some users might also find the pricing structure a bit complex, depending on the number of active users they have. On the flip side, the ability to give your users a seamless AI experience without them ever leaving your platform is a game changer for retention. This level of integration is what separates basic tools from professional enterprise solutions. If you are a product manager or a developer looking to scale fast while keeping costs manageable, Weavy AI is definitely worth a serious trial.